So it's the next day and I'm out just checking on my seeds that I've got growing. So these are my beetroot that I started quite late, and then these are my spring onions as well that are popping up. I'm not very good at growing spring onions, so we'll see how they go. And then these are my dwarf French beans that seem to be growing very well. Didn't really need the sticks because they didn't grow anywhere near as tall as what I thought they were going to, but I can use them for something else. And I've got some beautiful flowers growing in my garden at the moment. The marigolds and the sunflowers were from seed, but the geraniums were bought from Tesco. There's my little tiger cat, he likes a little fuss. And I got to pick my first tomato of the season. These are sun gold, so they don't go red, they stay orange, but they are the sweetest cherry tomatoes. And then needed to go to the post office to post something that I sold on eBay. On my way back I stopped at the river and had a little walk along this platform and decided to sit on the bench for a little while and read my Kindle. Kindles are great, aren't they, for just having in your handbag just in case you need them. So I sat here for a while and enjoyed reading my book in the peace and quiet. There were no boats moored here. This is a mooring, but there were none there today. And always good to get home and find Lucy baking some cookies, which is always exciting. And then I made some lunch, which is some scrambled tofu on avocado, and then that's on some toast. And then I used the tomato, and Lucy didn't want bread, so she had it on rice cakes. Right, I'm starting my squashes really late. I didn't know if we'd still be living here, so I didn't start any, but I've decided to start them, and they should grow quite quickly because the weather's really warm at the moment. So I've got 3 different types. I've got yukikuri, I think polar bear, and crown prince. So I've grown the yukikuri and crown prince before, but not the polar bear, the white ones. And the crown prince are really nice and they store really well. And the yukikuri are a little bit smaller, but they are really tasty and store well as well, and hopefully the polar bear ones will. But yeah, I've not grown white ones before, so that will be interesting. It's now Thursday and I've driven down to Kent to my mum and dad's, and we are going on a train, my mum and I, up to London to meet my son. He's working first and then we're going to meet him, so we just walked along to the theatre. So the reason we're not just meeting him, we're actually going to the theatre and we are going to see Les Mis, which I am extremely excited about. It's one of the longest, well, it's the longest running musical, and it's something I've wanted to see for a very long time. And we were extremely lucky because my son's uncle is in the show. He's been in it for 3 years. He gave us a backstage tour, so we got to go onto the stage and look out from the stage to the seating area, and he explained to us all about all the scenery and the props and how it all works, and it was amazing, an amazing thing to be able to do. And then obviously we watched the show and it was amazing, highly recommended, such a good show. And then we went on to my a club that my son is a member of. It's an actors club, so we could go in as a guest. We went in, he showed us around. He goes here quite a lot, he's got lots of friends there. So I was just looking at all the pictures on the wall of past members and various different shows. We had some drinks and we had something to eat as well. I had to film my son's picture up on the wall. He's the one right in the middle there with the red tie on. So it was my proud mum moment. And then there was a poster with his name on that he did as a panto.